Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney if you're new here. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a misguided clothing haul. This is 100% not sponsored. These are just some items that I decided to purchase. Also, I have a little story time to go along with this. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but I just thought it was kind of interesting to share just for anybody else that it might happen to. Before we get into the video, please be sure that you are subscribed and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified every time I post a new video. So I made my purchase a couple weeks ago, I think, and when it came in with this tape all over it, and when I first saw that, I was like, that's suspicious.
That's suspicious. That's weird. Of
course, I took pictures of the bag before I opened it because I've never had this problem before with Misguided. This is my second purchase that I made with them. My first purchase, I was pretty happy with everything. Everything came in. So when I opened it, I found that there were multiple items missing. Not just a couple, multiple. And I was just, I couldn't believe it. And I didn't know if it was gonna be a big hassle. And it turns out that it was super easy to get it taken care of with Misguided. I just went online on their website, did the online chat, and she just sent me the form. I didn't have to send them any photos or anything. She just sent me this form to put all the missing items, and then the next day, they shipped it out. That is this bag right here that I haven't even opened yet, so hopefully it has all of the missing items in here. So I'm gonna start off with this bag. Oh, so these earrings right here are also from Misguided. It comes in a 3-pack. This is the smallest one, the smallest gold hoop, and the largest one in the pack. This is the unitard to wear this with the flannel that I bought. So it has like this under the bust kind of detailing there. I got a size UK 8, US 4. So I wanted to pair the unitard with this oversized flannel, and I thought that would be really cute, and it would kind of keep it a little bit more modest. Just wear it open and like it would cover the rest of your body with this. And I thought it would be just like a cute, like cozy at home outfit as well. This big chunky knit sweater, really cozy and cute. Hopefully it looks good on me. We'll see. The next thing, I was really excited about this maxi dress, but with shoulder pads. So I thought that was really cool design. It's like a t-shirt maxi dress, but has shoulder pads to add some structure. So I'm really excited about this one. Next was gold choker. So whoever stole these items, they're gonna be looking stylish. So I got this gold choker with a gold lock on it. I just thought it was super, super cute. Another 3 set of earrings. These gold knocker earrings, and then it has like these studded ones. And then this one, it's like a knot design kind of. Can you see? I just thought those were super cute. So yeah, I got everything that was missing, so that's good. And it didn't come with DHL tape all over it. This dress that I'm wearing now, so this comes in a 2-pack, long sleeve t-shirt dress, and it comes with a black and a white color. It's a pretty good quality t-shirt. The white one is a little bit sheer. The black one is good, you can't really see through it. So I would probably recommend wearing like a skin colored bodysuit or something underneath if you wanted to wear it in public. If you don't care, then whatever. So I did pick up these Sinner high waist authentic skinny jeans. These are a UK 8. I thought that they were quite small looking, but I did try these on and they are very tight and very stretchy. Now these have the distressed detail on them, basically exactly what I thought they were going to be. And then these are another 2-pack thing. They're flared, like they are very fitted around like the butt area and the thighs, and then it flares out at the bottom, and they're really comfy, and they are high-waisted as well. So it comes in a gray color and a black color. Now I initially wanted these black ones to pair with this corset tie-dye sweatshirt. I thought this was so cute. I saw this on Jordan Lipscomb and it just looks so cute on her, and I just had to buy it. So different. I didn't purchase the pants because the way that the style of the pants are, they're kind of puffy looking and kind of like genie pants. That's what they kind of looked like in the picture. I just didn't really think that they would be flattering on me, and I feel like just having this pop of style or this pop of color and design with something more simple would be kind of more my style. But they do have a matching sweatpants. Lastly, I got this matching sweatsuit. It is sold separately. I am glad that the colors are very similar, so that's good. Just the material is a little bit different. Like the sweatshirt is a little bit thicker than the pants. So I got these joggers, and they have the, what's this called? I can't think of what's that called. It's tight around the ankle, and it has a fake drawstring, which, I mean, is kind of disappointing, but they are stretchy and I don't really need to cinch them in anymore, so that's good. But they are kind of see-through, so like you can't really wear black underwear underneath or anything like that. And like you can see like the pockets in the front. So I was a little disappointed with that because in the picture they looked quite thick. So I was thinking they were going to be more of this material that this sweatshirt is. So this sweatshirt, I really thought this was really cool. Another shirt that has like a cinched in waist, and then it floofs out at the top. I haven't tried this on yet, and it's a hoodie as well. I thought this was just so cute. So I bought a lot of stuff that I would be comfortable wearing at home, but also I could run out the door in if I need to go pick up groceries or something, because that's really the only place I've been going. Just being at home all the time, I wanted to buy some things that I would feel comfortable in, but also I feel like I got ready for the day, if that makes sense. I hope that you guys did like this video. If you did, please give this video a like, and please subscribe for more videos from me. And be sure to hit that notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Be sure to follow me on all my social medias. It's @LatestCourtney everywhere: Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.